we're looking for is physical versus chemical. And that's what we're going to get into today. It's really simple. A physical property relates to any change that happens where something new is not formed. For instance, I melt ice in my hand. Okay, we melted ice the other day. We took ice and we, put it on the hot plate and melted into liquid. Did that substance change? Was that a new substance?
No.
So did, we know liquid water is water, but what is ice? Is that water or something else?
Water.
It's still water. That's a physical change. Water becomes ice. Definitely a change. Boil this, and you get steam. Is that still water? Yep. What kind of change? Physical change. Still water. As long as it's still the same substance, still that's a physical change. And that's what this next lab is going to be. We're going to do lots of examples of that. The other side of the coin is a chemical change, or a chemical property. Chemical properties will produce chemical changes, where now you have a new substance formed. Something brand new. What was there before is gone. And gone probably forever. Some things are reversible, but a lot of things aren't. For instance, combustion is not. If you burn something up, you burn a log, is that wood anymore?
No.
It's ash. Ash is not wood. It's carbon. Okay? It's a totally different substance now, and it can never go back to that log again. And plus, a lot of other things are given off. Carbon dioxide is given off, water is given off, and other pollutants are given off. It's all new. So when something new is formed, it is what kind of change? Chemical. So you have physical properties, chemical properties related to change. And I got a cool one for you here. Let's look at this. I'm going to add water. Keep with water now. Now do it. Okay. We all know water doesn't burn, right? See? We know that water does not burn. Oops. Somebody was tampering with my water. Pretty cool, huh? Not really. It's hot. This is also, when you got heat like this, it's called exothermic. Okay. Any change, whether you blink your eye, whether you clench your fists, requires energy. In this case, you see energy is given off, and the heat's given off. There it goes. You can turn the lights on. That was exothermic. When I have to add heat to a system, like when I lit this, when I actually I added the heat, that is endothermic. So pretty much that's the whole unit now. We've done the whole unit. We've classified matter. We've looked at extensive and intensive properties. Now we're going to look at physical versus chemical properties. And you got a good example. What kind of property was that? Was that physical or chemical? Was there a change that took place there? Well, that's what we got to learn. Anytime you see fire, that's chemical. Anytime you hear the word reaction, this reacted with that, chemical. Okay. Reactions produce something N-E-W, new. If it's new, that was new. You ever seen water burn before? That's new. Okay, that's new. So, yeah.